has been released an update for the Unreal version 5.6.0. And the most interesting things which I'm interested is and templates which they has announced with this Unreal version. As you remember, when I was testing the first time when this version has been released, and there was no the new templates. And now let's check if they have been added here. Okay, as I can see here is, for example, the vehicle template, and if we'll click on it, we can see that it appeared the new field which say variant. Which variant would you like to use? And if we will select the drop down, you can see that here is none, time trial, and the off-road. So first of all, we will check the none. Let's see what is over here. I will create a new template, a new project for this, and let's see. Okay, so the project is in the process, and we can see that yes, here are the new decoration. Here's the new template for this project. The new car. Okay, that's cool. I like the behavior of the car over here. Okay. Well, that's nice. Okay, so let's check what else do we have in this project. So for example, let's search for the levels. Maybe we have some, no, here is just only one level. This is exactly which one we are using. Okay, so here you can drive only in the circle. Nice. Let's check the other one. So I will close this one. And I will create another one. Launcher, the game, again the vehicle, and we will select this time the time trial. And again, the name of the project, create project, so let's check. Okay, so what is here? We can see already we have two different maps. The first one is the circle map. This is exactly, I guess, this one which has been in the previous one, and we have the time trial. So I'll open this map. Yes, this is a different map. Cool, we have here a few different things. So let's press play and let's check. Yeah, and here we have the timer, and here it is counting for how fast you pass through this track. So nice. I like the colors. I like this new system which they have been started into the game animation sample, and over here also that it is more colorful, because in the old versions everything was so gray, so boring, but those orange colors, I really love them. Nice. And driving is fine. The physics is working correctly, and I can see that I have already the best time. So I passed through the first circle, and it is also counting the best time. So perfect for people who would like to create the some car games is excellent. Okay, so let's install the third variant, and let's check what do we have there. So again, I will have to open the Unreal. I'll close this one, just misclick, sorry. Okay, again, the library, launch, and let's check the third one. Game, vehicle, and the last one is off-road. Say project 3, create. Okay, here are also two levels, the basic level, which is the circle, and we are loading right now, and another one is the off-road level. So let's open this, let's check what do we have there. Whoa. Nice, this is the big level. And let's, oh, this is the buggy, our old buggy from the previous versions. and in the same color, but here is, I like this map. This is a really big map. Seems so. Driving is also good. And here we have the menu, which is showing the speed and so on. They move this from the top left corner to the bottom right. This is also good. Personally, I like it more. Nice and really big scene. And I'm dead, right? Okay, so we have tested the 3 levels, the 3 different projects into the car, into the vehicle template, and now let's check what they have added to the another samples templates. Let's check what do we have here. So game. Okay, so what do we have here? In the first person, we have also 3 variants: the Nun, the arena shooter, and the survival horror. Nice. The third person can offer us 4 variants: the Nun, combat, and performing, and side scroller. Very good. The top down also has the Nun, strategy, and things stick. Very well. So let's check what do we have into the third person. I would like to try, let's say, the combat. Okay, let's create a combat project. Will be 4 for testing. Let's see what is here. Oh, also a lot of colors. Colorful, nice, beautiful. So this is the default, the third person scene, which has been, but they has changed it a little bit, of course. This is different than the previous versions. And also we have here the combat level. Let's open this. Basically a little bit different. Oh, we have here, right, like this. The physics is good. And also, have you seen? When I push him, here is also the effects, which is excellent because you can change this, for example, for the blood or for anything you want. Very nice. Those effects are cool. Also, we immediately have our life level above basically behind the character. Very nice. I love those effects. So just change the color and you can use it as you want. And we have here our enemy. Enemy is immediately going to attack us. Okay. So as you can see, the life level for the enemy is changing. Very nice. And he's dead. So the ragdoll is also perfect. Here's another one. Cool. Let's fight. And also, as you can see, this has excellently changed the level of the life. So you don't have to build anything by yourself. I killed 2 enemies. And we will, and this one, do you see, he just doesn't want to fight with us. He's just trying to run away. And this one, yes, this, oh, just look, my life level is also changing. Health level, not the life level, but the health level, I'm sorry. And also those effects for when you push, when you kick somebody, when you get hit, also very nice. Okay, it will be interesting. Ah, seems I'm dead. Okay, cool. So let's close this one and let's check what we can see more. Let's test something else. Well, so far I'm really very satisfied with what I see. They really added a lot of interesting things. Again, that I can use this also, and for sure the developers will be able to use this and it will be very useful, will save a lot of time. Okay, let's check the platforming. I'll have to rename the project as I already have several with these names. The same 2 levels, and the platforming level is the second one. So let's check. Nice. Okay. We can run over the scene and let me see what we can do else. So trying to jump over this one is not working, but as you can see, when I'm trying to jump, we have something behind my foot. So it seems like it is adding some kind of power when I'm jumping. Okay, but why I cannot jump over? Interesting. And here are a lot of different things. Maybe I can jump over here. Collapse. Okay, what do we have? What do we have? Geometry. Okay, player start. I'll just move the player start so I can see something else. And then I will check the inputs. What do we have here? Maybe they have some new input which I can try. Okay. Just a simple jump. And I don't see any option to move about. I was thinking that all platforms must move, but since no, well, I will have to check it more. Okay, let's close this one. Don't save the level. And what else do we have? Again, launcher is closing each time, so we have to spend time to open it again, but what we can do. Okay, so and the last one is the side scroller. So let's check what is this, what this can do. Also, we have two levels. Well, I'm still thinking about this platformer level. Maybe they just had added this template, but still working on it because it was not looking like the complete template. So let's check what do we have over here if this one is completed. Well, this is the side, right? This is the side to side. So you can just move from one side to another. Okay. Let me try if I can, oh, look at it. And yes, I almost can fly. Okay, nice. I can move over here. Beautiful. Okay, let me check. And as you can see, I was just able to pass through the platform over here. So it doesn't have the collision. Okay, let's jump. Nice. Okay, so I'm just pressing a few times jump, and then I to the side, to which side I would like to jump. I'm doing this. Okay, nice so far. And you can jump really up. I almost can fly. I'm proud of myself. Oh, I can collect coins by, okay, things, coins, anything. Nice. Who is this? This is enemy, I guess. What I can do over here, I can fight with him? No. Hi, he can follow me. Cool, he's following me just by himself. Okay, moving platform. I guess it was something what we expected into the previous version, the moving platform, but okay. That's the game over. We are going down, it's moving just by itself. Oh, as you can see, here are a lot of different errors, so maybe they are still working on it, so this is not completed, but at least this is added and we can see that it has the really good potential. Okay, I'm closing this one also, and let's see what else. Again, launcher. Doesn't want to open. Why? Yeah, it opened just behind. Okay, so what else? Let's see the first person, the arena shooter. Let's check it out. Because I don't think that none will be very interesting. Of course, I'm sure that they have been added also something over there, but let me check this first. Okay, content folder. Let's check the levels. There they are over here. Okay, the arena shooter is also the new level. Nice. It has some interesting things, and also, oh yeah, we are playing over here the first person. Very good. So what is this? Oh, it's just moving us up, pushing up. Beautiful. We can hold the arms. We can shoot, die. Perfect. You can see we have also the bells. Nice, nice, nice. Well, I like it. I like it. It has the good idea. You can shoot with the balls, bullets. It is showing you everything. So basically, very well prepared. Okay, let's close this one. I like it. I like it so far. So let's check what else do we have. Well, the Unreal team really made a great job. And also, I really like, I must say this, I really love the colors they have been added because it was really very boring with the, okay, which one? Survival horror we'll select this time. Because I was really bored with this gray templates, boring and sad, and this one is colorful. So, the first person, the horror, let's go to the horror. So, what do we have over here? Everything dark. Of course, this is horror, logical. Let's press play. And where are monsters? Here immediately I can see my, I guess it was the health level. No, this is not the health level. What is it? I came to the room. What we can see in the room? Still nothing. Nobody wanna scare me. Okay. And I don't see anything what can be prepared for the scaring. Well, maybe this is not completed yet, but at least it has been added. Okay, what else? So, the top-down and top-down strategy. Create. Top-down, this is the first one, the default one, and the strategy is our new level edit. Okay, what is this? We have here some, I guess, some enemies. What is that? Good, let's press play and let's check. Top down, of course. So we are playing from the top view. Selected. Okay, selected one, and what can it can work. Cool. Move here, move there, move over here, come here, sweetie. Select it. I cannot select the second one. Why? It says selected. Okay, so I selected the second one. Let's move to the new place. Nice. And here, as you can see, this is very beautiful that when you come closer to something, the part of the roof is disappearing and you can see what is inside. I guess this is an excellent thing. And what I like is that not the whole roof is disappearing, but only the part of it. Looks really good. Okay, I can select this one. So basically for now I can, cool, they can dance, look at it. Beautiful. Okay, so let's close this one. And I guess that we still have the one with the last one special in the top view. Top down, sorry. And the twin stick. Let's check this one also. I'm really excited what this one can offer us. Okay, again, we have two scene, the default one and the twin stick. Okay. And what else do we have over here? We have the 4 points, we have the start, we have something over here. Let's check what it is. Okay. I must kill all of them. Destroy. Nice, nice, nice. And I love the effects. Just take a look at those effects. This is excellent. Just you're shooting with the bullets, and as you can see, they are destroying. This is great. They are burning. They are destroying. They change color. Really very nice. So those effects are excellent. And as you can see, we have on the scene a lot of different enemies. Let's name them so. And it's working perfect. Very nice. Cool. Cool, I like it. I like how it works. Okay, so here we can see the templates have been added. They are really great. I like them. I really like them a lot. I will have, of course, to study them deeply and to check what it has inside, because as I can see, it can offer us a lot of things, and I will study them. Well, also with this release, the developers has told us that their key goal was to empower us as a developers to build super high fidelity, large scale open worlds that run smoothly at 60 Hz on current generation hardware. So they also made major strides towards a truly engine first animation and rigging workflow, reducing the need for the DCC round tripping. Plus, MetaHuman can now be authored directly within the engine, unlocking a more streamlined and efficient creative process. Also, here are some news regarding the rendering. So the hardware ray tracing system enhancements that deliver even greater performance for Lumen Global illumination and eliminate KGPU bottlenecks to offer more complex scene while maintaining the 60 Hz frame rate. And for me, this is really important because, of course, on my video cards, I have the high performance, but of course, the better performance means the better feeling of the game. And of course, I'm trying to do all my best to deliver to my clients, to my users, the best performance possible. So for me, this point is really very important also. Also here on news regarding the animations, they write in the release news that this release brings the biggest update yet to their in-edit animation toolset, enabling us to animate with greater speed, precision, and controls. And for me, this is really also very, very important because earlier I was creating all the animations in the Cascadeur as it was easier, fast, and so on. And now I am doing everything in the Unreal, and for me the theme is also very, very important because, of course, the better I can work, the faster I can complete all my work. So this is great. And also we can see that they have made some kind of update to the MetaHumans, but MetaHumans is not very interesting for me because they still doesn't have any genitals. They still there is no difference between the genders. So this is really strange in this world, but they just don't do this, and I'm just not using it. Well, also we can see that there are some changes in the UX UI, that they have updated the editor to deliver faster workflow, smarter content organization, and quicker access to the tools and settings to stay efficient. Well, honestly, this is great, but to say honestly, I'm really interested just in to make the Unreal stable, because for me this is super important, as this is crashing oftenly and this is not stable now. Before it was not stable, and it is really boring to reopen this 100 times per day. Also, we can see that here are some updates for the PCG frameworks. Honestly, I know about it. I was reading something about it, but I was not using it. And I'm really excited to try this because, as I can see here, have been some kind of updates which are really interesting. So it will be my next step in my learning. Well, okay, so till now I'm really satisfied with this new version 5.6.0, and I will have to move again to reconvert my project to this version, but still I will have to wait until all of the developers whose plugins I'm using will create the plugins for the 5.6.0. So it will take maybe some time, but as soon as it will be done, I will do this because I really like this new version. and I hope that you will like it too. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me in this video. If you like it, please give me the like, subscribe to my channel to not lose my other videos. And I really hope to see you next time. So, love all of you. Bye bye.